We are here at Oak Ridge Square, and check this out. We've got 2 elevators, and they're General. These are like the Florida General. Unfortunately, the buttons have been replaced with GAL. And Jared has blocked my view in every way possible.
Pulling an Andrew.
He is pulling an Andrew. Go to 3.
He's got the original indicator. Oh, look at that phone. That's cool.
1.
I've always liked these lanterns.
And we have one more elevator to see, so let's go to that one. So you can see here this place is made up of 4 buildings. And the other elevator is just over here.
Would have been cool if they were glass.
That would have been really cool if they were glass. This is not very ADA compliant. I guess you could park on the side. Oh, this one's got replace buttons as well. Basically the same. 3.
The beginning stages of Low and Low.
Yeah.
They're a cool font.
Yeah, they do have cool fonts. All right. Well, those are some neat elevators, even though the buttons are replaced.